How to scan a canvas painting and resize it in Pixelmator Pro. You can see this full video in the link above. Name the file. The resolution is 300 dpi. It will be sent as a PNG to a file or to the desktop. Select the Pixelmator Pro app. Cut the borders of the image to the dimensions you want. Select Option plus Command plus I to change the image size. Keep the resolution 300 dpi. Select Command plus E to export the file. As I don't want to save the file in the app, I delete it. Now you only have to drop the design to the mockup image. Adjust the dimensions to fit. Et voila! Thanks for watching! Make sure to subscribe for more new videos every week.